Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 203 different strategies with 66 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 93 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,000 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So the source video on this one says, get your hands on the most valuable TradingView indicator for free. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this. Now of course this is another one of those claims where they are referring to a specific TradingView indicator, or at least they seem to be referring to one specific indicator, but in the strategy they have multiple indicators. And so again, I always find that a little bit confusing. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these 2 indicators right here. The first indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look similar to this here, basically giving these buy and sell signals and a few lines here looking like moving averages. We'll go ahead and jump into the inputs here, and we're going to change a few things under the fast EMA. And just change that to 14. The slow, you're going to change that to 27. The consolidated EMA, you're going to change that to 100. And then scroll down to the very bottom here, and under the MA type, you're going to change that to SMA, like so. And then you can go ahead and hit OK on that one. And the next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the Super Trend Oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and it won't look quite like this. So let's go ahead and jump into the settings here. And what we'll do is under the SPT /_RES, you'll change that to a 1 hour. We're on the 5-minute time frame, so if you were on say a 15-minute time frame, maybe you'll change it to a 2 hour. If you're on a 1 minute, you'll change it to say a 15-minute time frame, and so on. And so then under the super trend multiple, you'll change that to 2. Under the styles, you'll go in, and for the uptrend line, you will change that to columns. For the downtrend line, you'll change that to columns, and you'll make sure they are green, the vibrant green for the uptrend, and the vibrant red for the downtrend. Click OK, and now it should look how I have it on screen now. What we're looking for a long trade is going to be a bull signal from the Trader XO indicator. You can see we get one right here with a nice green candle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the super trend oscillator, and we want that to have a green column, a green bar like so. When those two line up like that, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. Set the long there, put your stop right below the last swing, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about here. Let's play this forward and see what we get out of it. You see that we get a really nice push up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is going to be a bear signal from the Trader XO indicator like this here. Then of course, again, we're going to look down to the super trend oscillator, and we want that to have a red column like this. When those two line up there, it's going to be your signal into a short. Set your trade there, put your stop right above that last swing there, and we'll target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And again, a really nice push there, getting us to our take profit pretty easy. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 9 winning trades and 41 losing trades, putting it at an 18% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $5,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,400 for a total loss of $11,000 altogether. Definitely not the most valuable TradingView indicator, and you probably don't want to get your hands on it. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 39 trades during the same period of time. We had 33 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 84% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,800. The losing side, you would have lost $5,400 for a total gain of $14,400 in about 3 weeks worth of trading. So obviously significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial's over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame, and we're keeping track of the signals that we would have taken each week using the indicator. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 4 trades altogether. We had 3 winning trades, 1 losing trade. A 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,020. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, would have been a 100% win rate, a gain of $600 for a total weekly gain of $1,620. Add that to our 14-week total, and now we would have been up $24,640. Here's some more information tracking the strategy and the trades, and you can see the nice equity growth here. And so that's it for this strategy here. So obviously this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.